Hello guys, time to meet Mr. Teddy. I got a part 2, so hello guys, the same exact video. And Mr. Teddy wants to play. Mr. Teddy. Yay! Mr. Teddy. I love Mr. I love Mr. Teddy. I love Mr. Teddy. Mr. Teddy, imo ni ibantay ha, imo ni ibantay.
Ano mo Bisaya? Di ka balo.
Harriet. Bye!
Taro.
She was up there. That guys, thanks for watching it, Mr. Teddy. I love you. Bye guys. And forget why did I kiss my Mr. Teddy.